But I would like to bring to your notice the rise of another right-wing organization, and that working with Muslims here in Bangalore. So I'm very sure you all must be very concerned about what is happening in Bangalore and the narrative that is being set nationally because of the unfortunate incidents. But what we are missing is the right-wing rise of SDPI and PFI, and the crowd that was mobilized for Bangalore in DJ Halli and the crowd that went to KG Halli and burned down the Dalit MLA's house was undoubtedly sympathizers or members of SDPI and PFI. And now I think it's high time that we develop a consensus and start at least understanding what is happening with SDPI and how do they function, and why is it important that we start countering them. Because I was there at the spot. I got a call from few journalists. I belong to Swaraj India Party, and we have been working in those areas for a long time. We are very active in NRC. In fact, Hum Bharat Ke Log, the initiative, Swaraj India was one of the influential partners over there. So we have a good cadre. We have a good cadre in Karnataka because of the movements we have been running on ground level. So we went there and we tried to stop the crowd from vandalizing. It was me and two local MLAs, Zamir, Rizwan Arshad, and another of my Swaraj India colleague, Kalimullah Bhai. Unfortunately, we couldn't convince them to stop that. They were adamant. They were a communally frenzied mob. They did not belong to Congress because Zamir Ahmed and Rizwan MLAs were from there. So it's very clear who is actually radicalizing our youths. So when we talk about fighting the RSS, and if we don't fight a right wing that is coming from the community of Muslims, we don't have the moral authority to fight them, and neither do the borderliners and the seculars who are not Muslims or Dalits will come in our fight, because there's hypocrisy if we don't fight organizations like SDPI and PFI. Now we might have differences and we can debate. We can also debate on whether these organizations should be banned or not. But yes, they should definitely be prosecuted for the radicalization of youths. And this is not the first time they're doing this. They work in lines of what RSS does.